15:15. My name is Thomas Hines. I'm going to be recording now.
Wait, can they hear it?
Yes, Corey. Here it goes. Over a period of 10 days, he's now famous. Ming exercise for a bunch of numbers that hopefully you can see. Chantel, hey, what's up, Chantel? Chantel exercised for a certain number of minutes. Let's see what it asks. Make a box and whiskers plot of the data for each person. In other words, make two of those box and whisker things. So here it comes. All right, step one. Hey, someone look at those top numbers. Tell me, are they in order from least to greatest? Dang it. All right. Can you say dang it on the thing? All right, so here it comes. Someone tell me what the smallest number is.
15.
Got it. Next.
20.
Oh, yeah.
21.
Oh, 21.
21, cool.
23. 24. 24. 25. 26. 27. 34. No, 30.
Yeah.
And then 34.
34?
They don't have a 25.
Yeah.
Or and then 35.
No 25?
There's a 34 and there's a 35.
Is there 25?
No, no 20. You don't have 25?
No 25?
No.
All right, 25 is gone.
They have a 34.
No who? No 20? If you want to just make up numbers and just throw them out, that'd be cool.
Oh, I thought 20 was, or I thought 30 was
People who
20.
are absent, they deserve to get wrong information anyway. Sorry, Kyla. It's just people helping you out. Anybody else absent?
Wait, there's 34.
Wait.
There's 34.
34 is in there?
Yes.
Don't worry. Say it again. Who else?
I was.
Yeah, so you gotta send me that link.
I sent the link.
Oh.
Did you get the text? Don't take me off track. I'm recording here. I gotta pause me now. No, whatever. Here it goes. Step one: find the median. Hopefully, it's an odd amount of numbers so that one guy is stuck in the middle. If not, then we have to do that plus two things. Does anybody know how many numbers there are? Like, are there 10 of them, 6 of them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9.
9?
There's 10.
Dang it. Here it comes. Let's start. I'll underline stuff. 1, 2, 3. I'm coming out from the outside towards the inside. 4. It's like in a Tom Cruise movie where now they're about to get busted, about to get caught. Here in the middle to find the median, because there are 2 in the middle, we're gonna add them together. Divide by 2. This guy gives me 40. 50. 50 over 2 is 25. Sorry, calculator person. 50 over 2, 25. Dang it. I don't know if I want to use this space. All right. It's there. I know. Come on, folks. So we got the median. If I'm making the box and whiskers thing, then I would stop there. Okay, too touchy, whatever. Nice. Oh, sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. Well, you want that. Now I see why they would do even. Sorry, math people. If I would have known, I would giving you a hard time. Because when you get the other 2 medians, they're just the middle guy. If it was an odd number, then we have to do this plus 2 thing once, this plus 2 thing twice, and I'll take your hand. But we don't have to. Can someone say what that? And I'll take your hand. What the lower median is?
23.
Yeah, 23 is the middle number. Click. Winner. All right, what you want to say?
Oh, what's it called? For 20, you know how you find 25? How we could just put 25 without doing the math.
Right. That's also true. If you notice the 2 numbers in the middle, if you get stuck there, once you find the median of 2 numbers, basically what you're saying is, hey, what's halfway in between you guys? What's halfway between $24 and $26? Oh, 25 right in the middle, if you can see it. But if you can't see it, just go ahead and add and divide. But yeah, that's a good point. Someone on the top end, say what the upper quartile is, or the median of the upper numbers. Yeah, he's the guy in the middle. So about 34, Kyla. All right, and now we just put it on the whole box and whiskers. Someone say what the minimum is? 15. Someone say max? 35. I'm not sure what this is going to tell us once we find it out, but technically what they want you to do while I set mine up is they want you to start on Chantel's information. And you got to make sure you do that because Chantel will find you. I know Chantel.
I do too.
You don't want to mess with Chantel. Any one student mess with Chantel? Oh, man. Let's just say when I visited the other student in the hospital, yeah, Chantel had gotten her a job at the hospital.
Yeah, surprise.
Yeah, like, well, Chantel is working. No. Chantel used to work at the hospital. By the way, I'm making all this up, so there's no Chantel, no hospital, nobody got hurt. Let me put my box and whiskers. Here it goes. Oh, that's why they need a number line. I'm going to show you why we need a number line. I'm just going to make the box random. I'm going to put a thing in it. Technically, the number line tells us, well, should this line be longer or shorter? But for now, I'm just going to make it, and I'll figure out the number line thing for you to go off on the other part. All right, median. You go in the middle, high 25. Lower quartile, high 23. Minimum, 15. Maximum, 35. And the upper quartile, what are you? You're at something. You're at 30. Nice and easy. Who knows what it means, but it's nice and easy.
So we just have to do that little box part. We don't want to do the first part.
What's the first part?
Like the all the numbers.
Yeah, no, you don't have to do that. They did that just to organize. This is the important part. Now let me try and, I'm going to redraw my box so that you guys can see. Technically, and you'll see how the real picture is slightly different than this one. But if you just did that, still I'm impressed by you. I got to put these numbers on a number line. To do that, I need to find out what the smallest number is on the number line. That's 15, and the largest number is 35. And what I got to do is actually create a number line that has the numbers going from 15 all the way to 35. So this is going to be a mess. So I'm going to have to draw another box. Here we go. Let's see if I can do it. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. See, technically this box is supposed to fit over the line exactly. In other words, watch this. I'm going to put 5 dots on my number line where these key numbers should go. 15, you should go there. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23, you should go there. 24, 25. 25, you should go there. 26, 27, 28, 29. 30, you should go there. And 35, you should go there. Why is that important? I go, okay, what's the point? When I draw the real box and whiskers, you're going to see that this picture didn't fit where it should actually be. In other words, but before we do that, I'd just like to thank. All right, here we go. Let's see. All right, here goes. We go 1 here, 2, 3. Yeah, the people on the video, they don't even know what he did. What did he do? What did he do?
I know.
I think it's a secret. Should have been in class. Here it comes. And
It's dope.
it's cool that they're using dope again. Dope used to be used back in the day. So you're, what is this, 23? 23. This is 25. Not very well written. I'm going to rewrite so at least it can be read. 20. 23, 25, 30. Obviously the 35 is there. And 15. This is the official, the blue picture is official. I would invite you to draw it, but if you didn't, fine. If you drew this thing,
I know what do they call it, box and whiskers.
you know, some teacher will give you a hard time. Just saying, I'm not going to give you a hard time, but you get in the right class, you get a hard time. All right, I'm going to pause the video, mess around, and do the other thing like the algebra say. Pause. To find the interquartile range, you just find Q3 and Q1, and you do a simple subtraction problem. You do Q3 minus Q1. Whatever Q3 is, you write it. Whatever Q1 is, you write it. And the interquartile range is just a 7. It's just a subtraction problem using big words. Okay. With that said, that's right, baby, I'm back. All right, take that back. Can we erase that? All right, whatever. What's done is done. It's from a movie, I'm sure. Here it comes.
Mom was listening with us.
Yeah. All right, that's fine. All right, here we go. Range, biggest number, take away the smallest number with statistics. Let's see. Mean, median, and mode. This one I should say something. Find the mean. Also find the median. So actually get the answer on it. To get the mean, add them all together, divide by how many there are. To find the median, put in order from least to greatest. Chop off the edges until you get to the middle. then compare the number, which number out of those two best represents the group. That's the idea there. I'm not going to do that one. I want to do two of them. Make a histogram. I want to say something about that one. Saying it's going to take more than 5 minutes. And I want to say something about this standard deviation. Someone, I'm going to need your notes on the standard deviation so I can write out the pieces that you need when we get there. But for now, histogram. Let's fight for it. Categories. I'm going to use Donna's this time. That 143 can also work. There's more than one way to make intervals or categories or buckets in which to check and see how much stuff falls in there. I wonder if Tim just walked past. Did I look like I was like a squirrel? Or like a stuff in a bucket? That's whatever. He can make up his own thing. He's out there. All right, Tim, it doesn't have to be that way. All right, what'd you say, Donna? 140 to who? All right, that's like an H. What is H9? Should have been here. All right, 149. Second group was 150 to something, 160 to something, 170, 180, 190? Okay, 180. Play it. Same first number, same first number, same first number, same first number. 9, 9, 9, 9. If that's backward masking, I just said something. Oh no, it's number 9. Number 9.
Didn't they used to write the number 9 like the number 6?
Can you play a recording this thing backward? Good. Great. Yes. This is number 3 on the review, I believe. All right. So how many people are in the? Now I'm going to use Donna's. If you have a different thing, it's fine because the intervals determine how many things are in it. So hopefully Donna's not wrong, because then everybody's just all messed up. What you got, Donna, on the first group?
8.
I'm just going to put 8. Clearly you'd have the tick marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. How many on the second group? You got it. You did this grouping? All right, we'll check and see what's going on there. Next group?
0.
Next group? Yeah. So this is an example as to kind of why you can kind of tell like this grouping could not be the best. Like, how can you tell? Well, if everybody's in the first two, the picture I'm going to make is going to be a little odd or whatever. You probably want it spread out so it represents a little better, but you know, they don't tell you that you have to make it a certain way. I'm making my histogram. What do these represent? They don't tell us?
No.
This is weird. So stuff on the bottom. How much stuff? Should that 5 be a 6? How much?
Yeah.
How much stuff? How much stuff? All right. I'm gonna change that thing to be a 6. But let's just say we messed up with the 5. You know, I'm not that teacher. I'd like to be. Well, no, I don't even want to be that teacher. All right, they get it. If you're in a company, this is you punch in the numbers, you hit enter, and then the computer whoosh. If you use Excel, when you put in a bunch of numbers, Excel will give you a pie chart, whatever type of chart you want. So this is just for the heck of fun. All right, here we go. Let's see. The intervals. This part is actually important. The first interval is that 140. I'm not going to put them all. I'm just going to start at 140 to 149. The second interval is, again, equally spaced theoretically, 150 to whatever. The second one is 160 to whatever. Hopefully you get it, write the whole thing in just because you have to do it just one time. And then you draw your, here, we got to get all the way up to 8 is the biggest number, evenly spaced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're drawing a bar chart. I'll make the first one in blue. The first category has 8. Put 8 up here. 8 in it. I'm calling it in. The second group has 6. 6. I hope if you're 8, 6 is about here. Who's the next guy? 0, 0, 1. Should I get them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 has a 1. Yeah. All right. Let me pause this. I'll just go to the other thing. Let's see how fast we can do this. Right. Step 1: find the mean. Someone have a calculator out there. Tell me what these 5 numbers add up to. And divide by 5.
40.
40. Sweet.
No, the empty.
All right, here we go. There are 5 numbers, which is why we divide by 5. The mean is 8, sometimes indicated by x bar. So that's step 1. Step 2, we have to find the distance of each data value to the mean. In other words, each one of these numbers, 10, 6, 9, 9, 6. We're going to find out how far away it is from the mean. How do you do that? You just subtract, 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 subtract. 8, 8, 8, 8. 2. Oh man. Negative 2. That 2 goes up there. A 1, and a negative 2. What did we just do? We did step 2. We found the distance. Step 3. We're going to square the distance. In other words, take these numbers here. Let's see if I can do something like this. And we're going to square each one of them. So I'll put something squared. I'll put square. I'll put x squared. That's a bad way of writing it, but hopefully they know whatever the number is, square it. So you become a 4, 4. Not a negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. 1, 1, positive 4. These are weird numbers. Look at them, see how you feel about them. See if you're like, well, where'd you get that?
You squared all of those numbers?
Each individual one, I squared it. 2 times 2, negative 2 times negative 2, 1 times 1, 1 times 1, negative 2 times negative 2. I'm near the end. That's like step 4. No, that's step 3. I'm going to put a 3 here. That's step 3. There are 5 steps. Step 4, sweet. Just find the mean of these. Add them up. Divide by 5. Let's see how I can do that. What if I did like this? 4, 4, 1, 1, 4. Is that 14? They can make it 15? They can do that? Or whatever. All right, now some decimal, which is like 2.8. For those like, how does he know that? You punch in the calculator. You don't have to come in with your head. And then this is what step 4. I should put S4 like she did, and like Anthony considered doing. And then the last step, take the square root of it, and that gives you what is called the standard deviation, which is represented by a lowercase sigma. It looks like a little mouse with a tail. Really? Life is that way. If you actually got the square root of it, fine, but basically we should get down here. Someone punch in the square root of that. It's going to be 1 point something. 1 times 1 is 1. 1.2, 1.5 is...
1.67.
Yeah, oh, that's stinging genius. 1.67? Yeah, I mean, all right. Anything else on that one? Take a look at it. See if you have a question. I'm going to stop recording at this point. This is what you'll need, hopefully, to help you ace your test. I'm glad most of you did it in response to my text.